Struggling to get approved on Warrior Plus? Tired of seeing requests denied when all you want is to start making commissions? Well, imagine getting instant approval, proven offers, and step by step training, all for just $1. Yep, you heard that right, $1. Let's dive into Warrior Affiliate. Here's my quick take. Warrior Affiliate is hands down the easiest way for beginners to finally get their first approvals and commissions on Warrior Plus without wasting months. For just $1, it's a complete no brainer. But it gets even better when you see the upgrades and bonuses I've lined up for you. So, what exactly is Warrior Affiliate? It's a complete step by step system designed for new affiliate marketers who are sick of getting rejected by vendors. Inside, you'll discover how to get instant approval to proven, beginner friendly offers, how to use AI powered content and traffic methods to actually make sales, over the shoulder video training showing you exactly what works in 2025. And the best part, it's built for people with no email list, no paid ads, and no prior experience. When you log in, here's what the dashboard looks like. On the left, you'll see the training modules. The intro module explains Warrior Plus and the common mistakes beginners make. Chapter 1 teaches you how to get approved even with zero sales history, including done-for-you templates and vendor codes. Chapter 2 helps you pick the right offers with proven conversions. Chapter 3 and 4 show you how to set up promotions using 100% free tools, no fancy software required. Chapter 5 covers 5 free traffic methods like YouTube, Facebook, Quora, and more. And as a bonus, you'll also get AI-powered affiliate training to help you scale with automation. It's literally beginner-proof. Now, let's quickly talk about the upgrades. OTO 1, Results with Kevin AI membership, starts at just 99 cents trial, then $19.95 month. Perfect if you want ongoing AI tools and training to keep scaling. Downsell to OTO 1, 365 traffic boosters, more traffic-focused resources. OTO 2, the ultimate lead magnet system, between $27 to $37 dime sale. You'll get 10 complete funnels with all legal and bonus pages done for you. OTO 2A, Done For You setup, where they host and set everything up for you. OTO 3, the ARM system, a full upsell reseller package starting at $12.95. OTO 4, fresh online reports, done for you reports with reseller rights. Now, the front end at $1 is powerful enough on its own, but these upgrades are there if you want to speed things up. And this is where it gets insane. If you grab Warrior Affiliate using the link below, I'm also giving you my exclusive bonus vault. These are premium plugins, tools, and training that you won't find anywhere else. Here are just a few. WP Email Timer Plus, add countdown timers in emails and pages to boost urgency. Action Poll, segment your list and skyrocket conversions. Pin Marketer, automate Pinterest traffic for free. WP Video Focus, make your videos float and grab more attention. Slide Up Bar plugin, beautiful opt-in forms that grow your list. 100 ready-made niche blogs, build authority fast with preloaded blogs. Backlinks Warrior software, find authority backlinks to rank faster. Affiliate Marketing Thrive video course, learn the exact system thriving affiliates use. Keyword Research Ninja 2.0, uncover hidden money keywords. Influencer Marketing Secrets, tap into influencer power to scale quickly. And that's just the start. In total, you'll unlock over 50 plus premium bonuses worth thousands, but only if you grab Warrior Affiliate through my link before the deadline. So here's the bottom line. For just $1, you're getting a complete beginner-friendly system that gets you instant approval, shows you how to promote proven offers, helps you drive free traffic without spending on ads, and sets you up for your first commissions online. Plus, you're also getting my exclusive bonus stack, but only if you act fast. These bonuses are limited to the first 25 buyers and will vanish in 48 hours. So don't wait. Click the link in the description right now. Grab Warrior Affiliate for just $1 and secure all your bonuses before they're gone. Thanks for watching this review. If you found it helpful, hit that like button, drop a comment, and don't forget to subscribe for more honest reviews and affiliate marketing tips. Once you've grabbed Warrior Affiliate through the link below, just send me your receipt and I'll deliver all your bonuses within 24 hours. I'll see you on the inside.